Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma, along with Education Minister Rakkam A Sangma and MLA Jim M Sangma, officially inaugurated the Rongjeng Model Degree College in East Garo Hills today. The college, built under the RUSA 2.0 initiative, is expected to significantly boost higher education in the region, offering new opportunities to the youth of Rongjang and surrounding areas. During the event, Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma reaffirmed the government's commitment to advancing education and development in the region. He dedicated the new institution to the people of Rongjang, paying tribute to the late Purno A. Sangma, who had originally envisioned a college in the area. The Chief Minister also announced that a naming committee would be established to formally name the college in honor of late Purno A. Sangma.
Sudah sudah angkapa solko matinga amen semua delaki eko semua barnabe aru nabe isnangi pore ne apa chance ko angkapa south sumeramo pampada sini chata perang kunci ini di chata perang tak solko mat semua amen langsung benar pokoknya kasat sih dan semua tempat nabe ko solko matinga jadi kan amen isnangi pore ko yang ada semua sekali. So I want to wish you all the very best for your future. Work hard, study hard, and become good and successful people in the future. Thank you, Nick. At the very outset, I would like to congratulate our Minister Rakkam A Sangma and the entire department for having successfully completed the building and today made this building into a temple of education. I also would like to congratulate Mr. Jim Sangma, who has tirelessly worked towards ensuring that this particular college would be made functional at the earliest. As mentioned, education has been one of the top priorities of this government. And this particular inauguration of this college is only one small example of the many things that we have done for education, we are doing for education, and what we will be doing in the future to ensure that we are able to provide the best opportunity to our students and our youngsters to ensure that they get the best education that is possible.
Na bithe ko jana scan chungode na gui ko mixi samjak ko segun ko mamuko gi nabi andio mande ko gi bo ane pie sangma kanang engon uni ke balawa achka songni sada bero ko gi nagata achka soni magama bhagwaran dia ko gi chinagata aure Rongjeng constituency ni Rongjeng tizol ni madrang ni dia ko gi chinagata angarong zengo da begba college ko angar kin ani wa sumoyo wa aganacham aro mai ko gan kwa angaya college ko Rongjeng ni madara agada ko kusong begin ya college ko PS Sangma derkanga ba ane agana khakrai agar ken ane PS Sangma hajar le chigatomo ya kata ko agana ngada lo isga tinga.
The ICFA University Meghalaya admission open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.